Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, Zakat on camels according to the Hanbali school. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen, salatu wassalam ala rasul kareem, rabbana taqabbal minna zidna ilma wa hikma wa huda, asallallahu an yuwaffiqna lima yuhibbu wa yarda, Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammad abduka wa rasuluka nabiyyil ummi wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa sallam taslima. Allahumma atina nufusana taqwaha wa zakkiha, anta khairu man zakkaha, anta waliyuha wa mawlaha, lahum shukna wa ba'd. All the praises belong to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and may peace and blessings be upon Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. We're going to go today about the zakat on camels, and ibil, and in the camels it is a little bit, you have the different ages and things like that on the camels that are there. Would you like to read the first one, Nawi, number one?
It is shepherded.
Yes, so there's zakat on ra'i and things that people they shepherd. And the first section is on camels, and the camels are a little bit tricky. Then you have the cows and the bison and buffalo, things like that. And then you have the sheep and the goats. So the first section is the camels. So read number two, the three types. Number two is first camels. And read number three, go quickly.
There is nothing on them until they reach 5 camels.
And then?
One sheep is obligatory.
Yes.
In Arabic refers to a sheep or goat.
Yes. So what happens is if a person they keep in the camels, and people they use the camels for caravans and they use it for transporting things. So if they have 5 camels, then the zakat on it they have to pay one shot, and a shot refers to a sheep, but it could be a goat also. It could be either one of them. So that's what's due when they reach 5 camels. Less than 5, there's nothing due. On 5, they give one shot. Read number 4.
For 10 camels, 2 sheep, 15, 3 sheep, 24 sheep.
Yes, so for 10, 2 sheep, 15, 3 sheep, 24 sheep. So for each 5, 1 sheep. And then when it reaches more than 25, that's number 5A, what do you do when you reach 25? Do you read that one, Noe? Number 5A?
To 25 camels.
Mm-hmm.
A daughter pregnant, and it is a 1-year-old she-camel.
Yes. So once you reach 25 camels, then you have to give one. The word that they use is bintul makhad, and that's a 1-year-old she-camel. Bintul makhad, 1-year-old she-camel. And the camels, you have 2 different types. You have male camels and female camels, she-camels and he-camels, and then you have the different age groups, and Bintul Makhad is the youngest one, is the 1-year-old. So 25 you give 1-year-old she-camel. Number 5B.
If that is not present, then sun milking, it is 2-year-old he-camel.
Okay, then if you don't have a 1-year-old she-camel, you give a 2-year-old he-camel. And the word that they use for a 2-year-old, they use the word Bintul Labun, or Ibn Labun. The Bukhad literally means pregnant, and Labun means given milk. So you have the different ages. 1-year-old is Makhad, Bintul Makhad, or Ibn Makhad. 2-year-old is Bintul Labun, Ibn Labun. And for 25, you have to give 1 Bintul Makhad, she-camel, that's 1-year-old, or a he-camel that's 2-year-old. So far, so good. Now, are you going to remember that?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go to the next one, number 6.
To 36 is obligatory for a daughter milking.
Yes, so 36 you give a bintul labun, which is a 2-year-old she-camel. So the she-camels is the base, and then if you don't have a she-camel, then you give like a 1-year-older he-camel or one that's twice as much. So 35, it's a 2-year-old camel, 2-year-old she-camel. Okay, read number 7.
To 46, it is obligatory for a hekka.
Yes, so 46, it's a 3-year-old she-camel. Hikka is a term that they use. So you see it goes by the years, 1-year-old, 2-year-old, 3-year-old, and 25 is a 1-year-old, 35 is 2-year-old, and 45 is 3-year-old. So that's how they go by it. Okay, let's go to number 8.
To 61, it is obligatory for a jadda.
Okay, and that's a 4-year-old camel, Jadda. which is 60, 4-year-old. So you see it's incrementing by 1 year by each increment of 15 camels. Okay, number 9, read that. 70.
76 is obligatory for 2 daughter milking.
Yes. Then when you reach 76, then you have to give 2 bintu laboons. So now you get 2 camels instead of the 1 camel when you reach the 76. And so that's what you have so far. Okay, read number 10.
To 91, it is for 2 hectares.
Yeah, 2 3-year-old camels for 91. Number 11.
To 120 if there's more than 3 daughter milking camels.
Yes. So then 120, you get 3 bintu laboons, 3 2-year-old camels. Okay, number 12.
Then for every 50 hafat, 3 8-year-old she camel, and every 40 a daughter milking 2-year-old
Yes.
she camel.
So then once you have passed the 120 mark, then you look at the multiples of 30s and 40s. So multiples of 50s and 40s. Now, how many 50s you have, how many 40s you have. And for every 50, you give a hikka, 3-year-old she camel, and every 40, you give a 2-year-old she camel. The 3-year-old she camel is a hikka, and 2-year-old is a bintu laboon. So that's what you do it for every 50 and every 40. That's how you do that. Okay, read number 13. And like the good multiple is like 200, because 200 you can have 4 50s or 5 40s. So that's what he mentions there. Or number 13.
To 200, join 2 obligations.
Yes, 4 hikkas, right? 4 50s, remember?
Yeah.
The 3-year-old camels, or 5 40s, 5 2-year-old she camels, 5 bintu laboons. Okay, read number 14.
For every year that is lagged on the Zakat camels, one can give 2 sheep or 20 dirhams instead.
Okay, so sometimes you have, you can read number 15 too, it says the same thing.
Or if one wishes to give 1 year older Zakat camels and take 2 sheep or 20 dirhams.
Yes, so what happens sometimes you can give these camels like 1 year younger or 1 year older, and what you could do to make up the difference, you give 2 shots, 2 sheep or 20 dirham to make up the difference. Like for example, let's say there's a 3-year-old camel that's due, then you can give a 2-year-old camel and then give 2 sheep in addition to that to make up for it. So that's the last 2 points. Okay, inshallah, so we'll stop over here. Subhanallah wa bihamdi, ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta, astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk. Any questions or comments, Nawi?
No.
Okay, jazakallah khair. And if I said anything right, it's from Allah. Anything that's from myself, disregard it. Allah knows best. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.